Welcome back to our channel, The Crypto Society. Today we're here to talk about crypto market retakes $2 trillion market cap. But before we get started, subscribe to our channel to never miss a crypto update. So without any further delay, let's get started quickly. The total market value of cryptocurrencies has once again exceeded $2 trillion as Bitcoin continues to rise, and Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, and others have advanced. Crypto's market value rose to $2.06 trillion on Saturday, according to Coingecko, which tracks over 8,800 coins. Bitcoin has surpassed the 200-day MA, reaching its highest level since May 16th, $48,152. However, Bitcoin is not just supporting the progress of the entire market. In Hong Kong on Sunday, as of 1 p.m., Cardano, the third most ranked cryptocurrency after Bitcoin and Ether, has increased by 47% in the last 7 days. According to Coingecko pricing, Binance Coin increased by 14%, XRP 61%, and Dogecoin 18% over the same period. Bitcoin is above its important 200-day moving average, FundStrat strategist wrote in a note on Friday. Also, our radar has Cardano, ADA, which will hit the platform earlier this week after announcing smart contracts, said a significant increase. There was even higher movement after the cryptocurrency industry failed to win the change in cryptocurrency reporting rules of the US infrastructure bill, leaving the word for broad monitoring of cryptocurrencies in a law that passed the Senate on Tuesday. The price of Bitcoin was surprisingly resilient in the news, wrote Greg Cipararo, head of global research at NYDIG, in a memo on Saturday. We interpreted this price behavior as very bullish, and the approval of the crypto industry by lawmakers is ultimately a legitimate event and should reassure investors that the industry will stay here. Cryptocurrency market value resurrecting as Bitcoin soars. The cryptocurrency market value is witnessing a significant increase as Bitcoin continued to climb over the past few days and coins such as Cardano, XRP, and Dogecoin advanced. The total market cap of the cryptocurrency rose above $2 trillion. According to Coingecko, a firm that tracks more than 8,800 coins, the cryptocurrency market value rose to $2.06 trillion on Saturday. Bitcoin reached $48,152, the highest level since May the 16th, as it showed staying power above its 200-day moving average. The price of Bitcoin in India as of 10 a.m. IST on August the 16th was $49,237.74. However, this is not only happening with Bitcoin, the rest of the coins are doing better too. Cardano, now ranked the third behind Bitcoin and Ether, was up 47% over the past 7 days at 1 p.m., 10:30 a.m. IST, in Hong Kong on Sunday. Binance Coin gained 14%, XRP 61%, and Dogecoin 18% in the same period, according to CoinGecko pricing. The price of Ethereum in India at 10:30 a.m. on August 16th was $3,410.11, while the price of Cardano in India was $2.16, the price of XRP in India was $1.37, and the price of Dogecoin in India was 35 cents. Bitcoin remains above its 200-day moving average, FundStrat strategists wrote in a note on Friday. We also have Cardano ADA on our radar, which is quite high after earlier this week indicating smart contracts will soon hit the platform. Bitcoin, cryptos post fifth straight week of outflows, CoinShares data. The moves came even after the cryptocurrency industry failed to win over changes to crypto tax reporting rules in the US infrastructure bill. The price of Bitcoin was surprisingly resilient in the wake of the news. NYDIG Global Research Head of Research Greg Cipararo wrote in a note on Saturday, "We analyze this price action as extremely bullish, and we think the recognition of the crypto industry by lawmakers was ultimately a legitimate event, which should give investors some reassurance that this industry is here to stay." Bitcoin investment products and funds have been spilled for the fifth straight week, as investor sentiment remained cautious amid increased global regulatory scrutiny. According to data from digital asset manager CoinShares, I recorded it. Outflows from the world's most popular cryptocurrencies totaled $33 million in the week ending August the 6th, compared to $19.7 million last week. But so far this year, Bitcoin inflows have been strong at $4.2 billion. CoinShares pointed out that the outflow was much smaller than in May and June, but the total outflow of cryptocurrencies totaled about $26 million. According to analysts, the slump in the crypto market was partly due to global regulatory crackdowns. The government here to protect investors with all new financial products and innovative solutions are wondering if this is a good idea, so crypto has all this focus, and they are these, "We will look into more," said Matthijs de Vries, Chief Technology Officer of infrastructure provider Alliance Block. Bitcoin hit an 11-week high of over $46,000 on Monday. Bitcoin has risen 46% against the dollar since mid-July. The data also showed that Ethereum, the token used on the Ethereum blockchain, also saw a $2.8 million outflow from the outflow of about $9 million last week. Last Thursday, Ethereum, the second largest blockchain network, undertook a major software upgrade. This is expected to stabilize transaction fees and reduce the supply of Ether tokens. The supply of Ether is reduced by writes sent to special addresses with private keys for which tokens cannot be obtained. Without access to the private key, no one can use the token and put it out of the circular supply. About $59.2 million worth of Ether tokens have been burned since the software upgrade on Thursday, according to lustrous.money, a website that hacks the burning and supply of Ether. Investors expect Ethereum to accelerate profits as the Ethereum network consumes more tokens. Ether was up 4.9% to $3,161.93. What makes the cryptocurrency market so volatile? Find out. In December 2020, Bitcoin was trading for about $20,000. In January of this year, it exceeded $40,000. Continuing buoyant, by April it had reached a record high of $65,000. Then in May it crashed and remained below $30,000 throughout June. The coin began to rise again around July the 20th, surpassing $45,000 last week for the first time in almost 3 months. Similarly, most other popular crypto coins have been working for the past few months. This caused some people to plummet, but others lost some of their investments due to the high volatility of the cryptocurrency market. One of the most annoying questions for most investors is why cryptocurrencies are so volatile. The cryptocurrency market has been volatile from the beginning, but the last few months have been a particularly wild ride. Several factors determine the trajectory of this market. Emerging markets. Cryptocurrencies are still an emerging market, not only gaining rapid popularity but also fueling rapid disillusionment among investors. Despite the attention of all media, this market is still negligible when compared to traditional currencies and even gold. This means that even smaller forces, a group of people holding large numbers of crypto coins, can affect trade. Even if they only sell Bitcoin, that would be enough to disrupt the entire market. Speculation. The cryptocurrency market is thriving with speculation. Investors bet whether prices will go up or down to make a profit. These speculative bets cause sudden inflows or outflows of money, leading to high volatility. Most cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ether, are purely digital assets with no physical commodity or currency backing. In other words, the price is completely determined by the law of supply and demand. In the absence of other stabilizing factors such as government support, various reasons can lead to fluctuations in supply or demand. Technology development. The blockchain or other alternative technologies in which these coins work are still evolving. It's only 10 years since the Bitcoin idea was first proposed. If the smart contract is not validated in the expected time frame, there is a scalability issue and sudden downward pressure is created. Fragile investor. Unlike the real estate and stock markets, this market is not considered to require expertise. That's why most part-timers invest in it. They have the hope of profiting immediately, but when that doesn't happen, they can lose patience and then withdraw. This frequent involvement and withdrawal also lead to volatility. Are altcoins slowly taking over the cryptocurrency market? An altcoin is known as the best alternative cryptocurrency after Bitcoin's successes, to target Bitcoin's shortcomings and provide better alternatives to multiple new versions of the cryptocurrency market. However, as altcoins also join Bitcoin, it has recently been observed that altcoins is slowly taking over the cryptocurrency market as the market has reached a threshold of $2 trillion since May 2021. According to investors, Bitcoin has lost its dominance in the global crypto market with the advent of altcoins such as Ripple, Polkadot, XRP, and Cardano. Since the introduction of multiple altcoins, the market share of Bitcoin and Ethereum has been declining constantly. Altcoins are thriving in the cryptocurrency market and have been successful in attracting the attention of professional investors to achieve higher return of investment shortly. It is well known that the prices of Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and many other cryptocurrencies depend on some crypto treats from the most popular crypto influencer, Elon Musk. With sudden price hits and falls, the cryptocurrency market is very volatile and risky to invest in. Therefore, investors are beginning to focus on proof-of-stake methods that reduce energy consumption, including the time to create blockchains for seamless transactions. Investors prefer higher return of investment than the significant loss of a one-year digital wallet from eco-friendly digital coins. The cryptocurrency market is experiencing the benefits of altcoins for investors to enjoy the benefits of smart features such as enhancing Bitcoin deficiencies such as speed and mining costs, creating space for Bitcoin systems, and creating new competition. Increase. Altcoins can be more than just a cryptocurrency. They can involve a new framework, including messaging applications and online marketplaces. There are stablecoins such as Libra and Tether, designed to protect against the volatility of multiple cryptocurrencies. However, the Tether is also known as a digital token because it is built on the Ethereum blockchain. The constant progress of state-of-the-art technology is beginning to influence the demand for cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. Each altcoin is different from each other, so that content creators can license on po.et and make quick payments via Ripple or Dash. They are created to make cross-border transactions seamless and process one transaction per second. Blockchain technology is used in both Bitcoin and altcoin, but there are subtle differences between applications. There are several types of consensus mechanisms for validating transactions and creating blocks for recording valuable transaction details across national borders. Smart contracts automatically and efficiently execute mutual agreements between the two parties. An altcoin is also known as a utility token and security token for increasing anonymity. Despite some drawbacks, investors are starting to pay more attention to altcoin than Bitcoin. Therefore, it can be inferred that altcoins is gradually taking over the cryptocurrency market while maximizing profits and minimizing potential risks. According to the report, the altcoin will account for more than 40% of the cryptocurrency market until April 2021. According to CoinMarketCap, there are more than 11,000 types of altcoin in the cryptocurrency market. So, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section.